Bugatti didn't just drop another hot-bling special. It introduced an entirely new way of doing bespoke. Meet the Brouillard, a one-of-one, handcrafted hypercar that's the inaugural creation of Bugatti's new program Solitaire, a coach-building arm that promises extreme, client-led creations at the rate of only 2 commissions per year. In short, this is Bugatti taking exclusivity to the next decimal place. At first glance, the Brouillard reads like Bugatti poetry in metal. It's built on the familiar W16 architecture that underpins the Ciro Mistral family, but the designers treated the proportions like sculpture: long, athletic haunches, surfaces that play with light and shadow, and details that feel deliberately restrained rather than screamed at you. That restraint is part of the point. When you have a rear mid W16 producing monster numbers, the visual language can be about refined manners more than aggressive ornament. Now the headline: power. Bugatti's press materials and subsequent coverage peg the Brouillard's quad-turbo W16 at roughly 1,578 horsepower. Yes, that's 4-figure output from a combustion engine in an age of electrification. That output, married to Bugatti's bespoke chassis work and hyper-focused cooling and aero, promises supercar numbers that read like bench press stats on paper and feel like a physical shove in the pit of your stomach on the road. The company lists eye-popping performance targets: 0 to 62 mph in the low to second range and a top speed well into the triple digits in mph. Though with one-offs, the engineering story is always as much about detailing and finish as it is about peak figures. What makes the Brouillard emotionally interesting is how it links back to Bugatti's roots. The name itself is an homage. Brouillard was reportedly Hector Bugatti's favorite horse, and the car carries several equine-inspired touches and symbolic elements, from tiny coach-built flourishes to a miniature sculpture placed on the car, nodding to the brand's history of craftsmanship and animalia influences. It's not just performance theater, it's narrative design meant to mean something to the owner and to the marque's lineage. Program Solitaire is the practical stage behind the spectacle. Bugatti frames the initiative as a coach-building revival. Think bespoke bodywork, one-off interiors, and totally personalized finishes that go beyond the already deep sur-mesure program. Production under Solitaire is intentionally tiny. Bugatti will accept only a couple of commissions a year, which lets its atelier pour time and artisanal resources into every single project. For ultra-high net worth collectors, this is the automotive equivalent of commissioning a bespoke suit from a master tailor, except the canvas is a multi-million-dollar hypercar. Where and when did the world meet Brouillard? Bugatti revealed it during Monterey Car Week, a perfect stage given the event's collector audience and appetite for automotive theater. And the reaction has been predictably intense. Press, buyers, and